here's how loud it sounds. This is how loud it sounds in here. You can feel things vibrating. That's how loud. So clearly there's noise outside, which is this noise. And then the noise you just heard it sounds like it's like right above us. So then this is the noise outside. And then it sounds like they record it so that they then play it to harass us throughout the day, in addition to people talking. And the things that they're saying are some of the worst things I've ever heard in my life. I'm 48. I'm from the Bronx. I've heard a lot of bad things, but this is some of the worst ever. So as I'm trying to get you folks aware of how these gang stalkers operate, I'm going to go into another bedroom so that you can hear. I was just in the living room where I recorded last night's video, and I'm just going to show you that again. I recorded last night's video in this area, and you heard some noises, like they make chirping sounds and other sounds. And then now I'm going to go in a bedroom to let you hear how it sounds in that room. So part of what they're doing is they claim that the reason they're hitting me is because they're brain mapping me. Okay, so they want to be able to force my emotions. So they'll make me cry on command or angry on command. But I think being hit in the head and the back in your body makes you angry. And that's part of how, if that's their way of calling it brain mapping, I don't get it. I think it's more they want to abuse me, because I'm not going along with their scams. They had packaging scams. They had fencing scams where they wanted to send me something and then see if I can resell it. Then they wanted me to hang out. It was every scam in the book. I call them the schemy scammies. Every scam in the book. And then the worst scam of all was to try to ruin my life by making up lies and spreading false rumors about me and taking over my identity. So this is how it sounds in the bedroom. The banging above me, you heard that little knock. trust me, they'll start banging more because they don't like that I'm telling you guys the truth. So just so you know who I am, I'm going to show you the flower display we created. So I'm the same person, okay? And they have these kind of noises in the background. They're trying to say that they're suggesting things. I did this by hand. They're not suggesting anything. They don't want me to work. They want me to move away. They keep telling me they want me to move to South Carolina. Then they want me to let people live with me. That's insane. Insane. So guys, I'm going to keep you posted. I'll upload a video on some more crafts. Again, everything we're doing is made in the US. They said that because I'm trying to get back to work and get back on my feet, literally, that I'm using this. I would never use this. Why would I not use this? Because I make more money working than I do on free videos that I am not monetized for, folks. I know you know that, but we have to let the gang stalkers know that. We have common sense. They don't.